just plugged in the humidifier, and they're both enamored with it.
Yes. The odds on money is that Bailey will knock it over first. But you never know about Henrik. Hey, at least we know what to turn on now to get them, get their attention. You see the water? You see the water, buddy? Look what's coming out of it.
What?
Look what's coming out of it. The vapor's coming out of it.
Oh, it's going.
Bailey's attacking it. You gotta learn how to share, buddy. You gotta learn how to share.